Welcome to 321 Laurel Springs in Desoto, Texas. I am Carlee Howard with the Rafter H Realty Group. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home that is perfect for families. This spacious home has an open floor plan with a large kitchen with plenty of cabinets, counter space, kitchen islands, and a designated office space. The downstairs primary suite is a true retreat with a fireplace and ensuite bathroom. The additional 4 bedrooms are located upstairs with another living space. Enjoy the oversized backyard, and the house is perfectly located next to a community park. Don't miss this opportunity to own 321 Laurel Springs. Give me a call, schedule your showing today to see this incredible opportunity.